come back again with Learning Thai with Tuk today. And yes, we are still in the category of the opposite words. And today we're going to learn about these two words at the same time. That is good and bad. Good, G-O-O-D, good. In Thai we say D, 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 which is opposite หรือตรงข้ามกับ bad 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 เลว เลว in Thai or ไม่ดี เลว or ไม่ดี for example in this world there's always has good and bad people in this world there are always good and bad people ในโลกใบนี้ in this world there always has good and bad people มีเสมอสำหรับคนดีและคนเลว good people bad people คนดี and คนเลว okay so this is a short sentence that maybe can make you remember it very precise and very well okay so one more time together with me good in Thai D and then bad in Thai ไม่ดี or เลว okay in case that you have any question just let me know and thank you very much for your support and see you soon bye bye